Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a nice, warm, sunny winter afternoon. I'm staying at Bally's tonight, and I figured I'd give you guys a tour of the place, see if there's anything going on, anything new. We'll go check it out inside. Like I said, the weather today is picture perfect, and everyone's really appreciating it. Even the beach, people are walking on the beach today. You never know this time of the year in New Jersey. It could be beautiful like today, and in 2 days we could be having a blizzard. Who knows? But when a good day like this comes along in the middle of the winter, you take advantage of it, and that's what I'm doing today. Let's head inside Bally's and see what's going on. A lot's been going on here since Caesars sold this place a while back ago. At the new Bally's, they've updated hotel rooms, updated the high limit areas on the casino floor, as well as new slot machines, in addition to new restaurants and bars. These doors used to say Water Dog, now they say The Yard. I guess no matter what restaurant opens up here at Bally's, it's got to have 8 letters or 2 words with a space. Kind of reminds me of Wheel of Fortune. I'd like to buy a vowel pat and guess the next restaurant's name. We're coming up on the Yard now. This tower that's surrounding the Yard is called the Dentist Tower. It was built in 1892. Pretty old. My rooms here at Bally's are usually comped, and I'm usually put in the Dentist Tower. Sometimes I feel like I'm being tortured. I like the Bally's Tower a lot more, and I used to get comped rooms there. I don't know what happened, but I am heading to Bally's next week. Let's see if I'm in the Dentist Tower or the Bally's Tower. That's always the big question. And here we are at the Yard. This beer garden style venue is a must-experience Atlantic City nightlife attraction, offering live entertainment, a gastro-pub style menu, a curated tap list featuring local brewers, as well as Bally's signature beers and national brewers and craft cocktails. Adding to the experience are 90s themed arcade games, lounge style seating, and an indoor and outdoor stage for live entertainment. 21 and older, please, after 9 p.m. I like the Yard. They've got some good burgers. You can check out those videos here on the New York channel. I've eaten some burgers here and drank some beers, and they also have some really good live entertainment. Someday I'm going to order that influencer burger. It's $25, but man, does that sound like a over-the-top burger, and I'm going to bring that video to you guys as soon as I do that. Maybe, just maybe, next week. If and only if they put me in the Bally's Tower. Just kidding. If and only if I think my stomach can handle it at the moment. Alrighty, let's head up to the casino level and see what's going on. As soon as you get off the elevator, you're still in the Dentist Tower, and you come to the Players Club, or the rewards area here at Bally's, with a nice view of the Yard right outside the windows. They also have some nice historic Atlantic City art here that I always like to look at before I move on to the casino. As soon as we got off those elevators, if you make a left, you're going to head towards the casino. But if you make a right, which is where I want to bring you guys right now, I'll show you where the parking lot or the parking garage is here at Bally's, right down this corridor. And if you go straight, you're going to head into the Wild Wild West, which is actually part of Caesars. They're all connected here. and Wild Wild West has a lot of games of chance, some table games, some bars, as well as live entertainment. It's also got a huge sports book, one of my favorite sports books in town. But this isn't a video about Caesars, so we'll head back towards Bally's and go into the Bally's casino area. This is the carousel bar that features 360-degree views of the casino and hotel lobby. This immersive experience features an elevated 24-seat rotating bar reminiscent of a carousel and is the first venue of its kind in New Jersey, hosting DJs and live music. Guests can enjoy modern cocktails with Atlantic City flavors such as saltwater taffy, cotton candy, funnel cake, and more. It's open 24/7 and must be 21 to sit down at the bar. Ooh, let's check out the Bally's gift shop, shall we? This Dunkin' Donuts, located right in the middle of the Bally's lobby, is also open 24/7. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This video's late at night, but those self-checkouts, the red kiosks across the way, are a lifesaver when this place is busy. Hold on tight. Okay, so a couple things up here. The remnants of the old Etch-a-Sketch carpeting that used to run through the entire Bally's Hotel and Casino can still be seen in this area, as well as Carluccio's Pizza and Sacca Subs. And if you go straight, you're going to head into the Claridge. So you can conceivably go from Caesars into the Wild Wild West, into Bally's, and into Claridge without ever going outside. This is Red Bowl 88, authentic Asian cuisine in Atlantic City. Upstairs we have the Casino Cafe and Grill, which replaced Water Dog, Guy Fieri's Chop House, and Jerry Longo's Meatballs and Martinis. When I went upstairs, they were all closed. But again, we're heading into the summer season, and I will be staying here next week. Hopefully there'll be more places open, and I can bring you guys along with me. By the way, I had a great meal at Jerry Longo's Meatballs and Martinis. If you want to do a search, you'll find that here on the New York channel. Alrighty, perhaps I was mistaken. It looks like the lounge is open at Guy Fieri's Chop House. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.